What's up, YouTube? This is Richard Skilleter, and today we're going to be talking about the power of your process. What process are you using to manifest? How long are you supposed to do it? How many times you're supposed to do it a day, and for how long? These are very important questions for people just starting out with the law of attraction, practicing a process, getting the mind saturated with the positive thoughts, the positive beliefs, the positive things that you want to change in your life. This is very important. So I'm going to break down what I think is going to help somebody who's a beginner or somebody that wants to stay motivated to doing processes to get results in your life in some of the fastest way possible, but also in a way that you know that you're saturating your subconscious mind, in a way that you know that you've maintained that state, you've gotten into that state in a short amount of time. So first of all, let's start when you wake up. When you wake up in the morning is a very key time to start your day, because sometimes maybe the night before you take a problem to bed with you if you haven't really practiced, practicing the state of akin to sleep of what you're trying to manifest with those positive thoughts or positive beliefs that you want to change. So it's very important that you start your day in some type of law of attraction process. Some people use meditation. Some people use affirmations. Some people use visualization. And some people don't even do it in the morning at all. They wait till a little bit later. So you got to find out what type of person you are, what type of process that you want to start with, and then you want to apply it daily. Now you could switch it up a bit. Maybe you want to meditate one day, maybe you want to practice appreciation or gratitude, maybe you want to practice affirmations when you first wake up, maybe you want to write affirmations, maybe you want to say them out loud, maybe you want to visualize. But the whole point with all this is you want to do stuff with consistency, okay? Now, as Neville says, you have to do stuff and to maintain that state, be in that state, okay? So with the mind, it's very important that you do this with consistency, persistence, okay? How persistent are you in doing your practice? By doing your processes. So you have to find what works for you. So I'm going to break down what works for me, and then you can leave me something in the comments below what worked for you in the past. Maybe something worked better for you than other people, and I think people would like to know that. What process worked for you? What did you do when you woke up? What did you do before you went to bed? What did you do throughout your whole day? So for me, what worked for me is basically I do a 3-step method. The first thing I do when I wake up, sometimes I visualize. I put myself on a 5-minute timer, or usually I know where 5 minutes is. Sometimes I do 10, okay? And then sometimes I read affirmations. I read affirmations in the morning. I read them in the afternoon, and I read them before I go to bed. Sometimes I switch it up with some visualization, and I'm doing it a minimum of 5 minutes. Sometimes when I'm not feeling it, I'll do it for 10. I want to really get into that affirmation or that visualization. Find what works for you. Always find what works for you, because it's you and your resistance, and it's you that's doing the process. Don't ever trust another teacher. Trust yourself. Like, this feels right for me. 5 minutes feels right for me. Maybe 10 minutes feels right for you. So that's what I'm trying to leave you with, with this video, you guys. Find what works for you, what's going to work. So this is what I do. I wake up. I do the process of doing affirmations for 5 minutes, sometimes a little longer. Then throughout my day, if I have time, I'll read the affirmations again, or I'll visualize. And then before I go to bed, I'll read affirmations or I'll visualize. Now, I do it at a minimum of 5 minutes each, or maybe a little longer. But the whole point is you want to get into getting into that state, getting into that feeling. So if I'm trying to manifest money, for example, I want to make sure if I did the affirmation that I got into that state, I got into that feeling and I felt it. I'm there, I got the money. Yes, it's mine. Whether I'm doing a visualization or an affirmation, or I'm doing another process, I want to get into that state. So did I do the process? Did I get into the state? That's clue number 1. Okay, that's what you're trying to get to. You're trying to always get to that state. Always get to that state. Whatever process you're doing, even in meditation, you want to get to that state of non-resistant where you don't feel your body anymore. Did I get to that state with meditation? It's the same thing. You want to always, whatever process you're doing, did I get to the state? The state of that feeling, the state of that being, because it's what you be, you become. Okay? So did I get to it? So that's what I want to leave you with this video, you guys. Did I get to that state? What process am I using to get there? I explained to you the processes that I do on a daily basis. So what process are you doing? All right, guys, take care. Until next time. Bye.